Welcome to the live, okay? So this is our old girl. I had to gum it. I went to look for another leg from the old one that the boys have broken. Ha. Mother of boys, you know, easy. Oh. They've sworn that I cannot have good things. All right. So this is our old one. After all the patch, the thing is now shaky. If you put something on it, see, it's just shaky. The video, sometimes I feel like my phone wants to fall. In fact, there's a way you stretch it. Look, there's a way I'll stretch this thing now. It will just pull off. I don't want to pull it off inside this car. So you see how it's bouncing, and it doesn't go inside again. It has spoiled completely. So in order for me not to cry one day, welcome everyone, welcome. In order for me not to cry, I just decided to get myself a new one. So unbox the new one with me. It's a tripod, okay? But when I called the man I bought this one from, he actually told me that he's going to, he has this one and it's 18,000 naira. Why the other one? The man wrote 2,500 and actually gave that woman, see, he wrote 2,500 and actually gave that woman 3,000. Anyway, that's, she didn't even tell me I gave her too much. So let me tear it. He told me that there's a modern one now that is not like the one I bought before, but this one is strong. It has served me for some time now. So I just decided that, okay, let me buy the old one. Seems I have to tear this thing very well. And also buy the new one. Though the new one, he said, is expensive. It's a modern Bluetooth, this thing, gadget. Go and eat your food now. I already warmed the soup. Go and eat your food upstairs.
Mommy, keep food.
You want to?
Keep food.
Keep what? Ball.
Yes.
Chika's remove. Chidi Abere. Come here. Chidi, come here. See, that plate I said, that pot I said you should wash there. Please, I don't want to be angry this evening. Pico. You know, go. Please go and help me and wash it. Oh, it's two. I've already finished washing all the plates for you now. Come. Is it that two pot that you cannot wash again? Come. Go and know why Chigozrim is crying. I made Gary upstairs. I bought out soup. Can you hear me? I made Gary upstairs. I bought out soup. People should just warm the soup and eat. Oh, I've made the Garys on top of the dining table. Because I want to unbox this thing. I'm on live. I'm on Facebook Live. I say Facebook Live. What's the name? YouTube Live. You want to join me? When you finish eating, you people should come and join me. When people finish eating and bathing, you come and join me.
I will play ball.
These boys, this my boys, eh? These my boys. I gotta eat first. When you finish eating, you come and join me. Don't be smarting. Hey, mama boys, you know easy. My boys have sworn that I will not have good things, but it's not going to work in Jesus' name. It's not going to work. They say, child, why if I have good things, let them know why. That they want to know why I will have good thing in this life. Let me unbox my new gear. See the old one. Just look at those of you coming in now. Just look at the old one. I've patched it. I brought another leg. I'm not beginning to get scared. I said, let this thing not come and destroy my phone. Oh. So now, unbox with me. Boom. This one is the old type now. It's the same type now. But you know, you're going to see how the leg of this one used to be before I had to mend it with this thing, just to be managing it. And each time I film, if you check my last two vlogs, they are all shaky. The shots, they are all shaky. So I decided that let me like the live stream for me, okay? Let me show you this one now. So wow, this one is still the same type, but the other one is the one with Bluetooth, the modern one. So when we finish seeing this one, This type, but it's just that it's more fancy, right? It's more fancy. This one is the normal one that I used to have before. This same type that is here, right? So this is it. See the legs. Ta-da! At least my films will be now, It will not be shaking if I'm filming, because most times they are not around to help me now. So I film alone. So look at it. So let's see the new one. Then
This is the old one or new one?
this one is the old type. This particular one now.
The one that stays in one place.
This type now. This type. Yes, the one that stays in one place.
So
This is the old one I have.
goes.
So I want to see the new one. This one is 18,000 naira. I got
Where
it.
did you buy this from? They sent it.
I got it. It's from Onitsha. I bought it.
Okay.
I bought it from Onitsha. They now sent it as Waybill. So this is the old. I've been gumming it and gumming it. I said, let me just close and buy this thing once and for all. Once and for all. Woo! This new one has a USB. It's even inside the one that is 35,000 as against 18. That's double. That is 2 of the money. 17,000 and 18,000, as if I added money that would have given me 2 of this to buy this one. So I really hope it's worth the money, because if it's not worth the money, then it's nonsense. It's nonsense. Nobody is watching. Ninja Adventure. Which one is nobody is watching? Damn it. People are watching. Rolled up. People are watching here. You guys are many. Please like the live now. How can I have 7 people and nobody is liking my live? Like it now. So YouTube will be pushing it. TikTok will be pushing it. Be liking the live. Like it now. Even gift me, if you can. Not be only celebrities they get gifts now. Even me, I should get gifts now. Waiting now. Waiting. Helen's corner. You know? Have you watched my videos? Do you watch my videos? See, who is here? Nobody is watching. Rolled up. Here I have 1 person. Here I have 5. Okay, please like the live for me. Okay, like the live. Welcome. So this one has a USB. I hope I will not be charging it. They say this one is YouTube. Can you see, guys? Can you just say this? Just look at it. Just look at it. I really hope I have not bought what I cannot use. That one would be worse if I cannot use it. It would be worse if I bought what I cannot really use. Oh my goodness. This one is for me to keep it away from these boys. So I don't know. Sometimes they just go to my room and go and look for my trouble. This one is similar to that one, the same type of legs. God, please help me, God, mom of boys, God help me. Because see, can you imagine that game pad I bought last, that I put on top of my wardrobe, up? They are telling me yesterday, that time I was watching that beans, I was making that beans video. They are telling me that the game pad, they put it inside water. And I'm now asking, who climbed up to bring it down? But nobody said anything. Okay, see the same thing. This tripod now, it was on its own. And when I came back, it's broken. Nobody said anything. Please like the live for me, okay? Like the live for me, Like the live for me, See, I hope I did not buy what I cannot use. Something that is just fancy. See, there's enough something on top of here.
Is it what?
Let me see. Okay, it's like Bluetooth.
No, that's
wow.
Sensor. Why it will be moving around or what?
So I can be pressing it like this.
No.
Like this.
Is that how they pictured it?
I
demo?
don't know. Let me see.
It's supposed to be moving with you now.
Auto face tracking tripod. Material ABS.
Will that thing be with you? That's what will be with you on your body. So it will be moving with you.
Portrait tracking, wide angle lens, face recognition, screen switching,
that will be with you in your pocket.
Gesture control and intelligence recognition, Bluetooth remote control. That this one is remote control. That this one is Bluetooth remote control because they wrote it on top of it.
Is that what will make the camera to move
is to tighten the board.
Move into your direction. Is it that thing you're holding?
I think it's this thing that is the remote control. When I'm done, I'll now come and put it here. Bluetooth remote control. Then this one, aluminium telescopic rod. This one, kickstand. This one. Then AI tracking camera. Ha! It has camera. See, oh, this one have camera. Can you people see? This one have camera. It has camera. I hope I did not buy what I cannot use. I hope I did not buy what I cannot use. See it here. They said wide angle lens, portrait tracking, 360 rotation, then face recognition, screen switching, hey, gesture control, anti-shake handle, anti-shake, then Bluetooth remote control, AI intelligence recognition. What's happening? This boy is outside. What is it, Baba? Chigos, allow him to play ball now. I don't want it, because allow him to play ball. Oh yeah, give him, let him play. It's his turn. Give him, it's his turn. Chidebere! What is wrong with you? Isagefela, have you watched it?
Somebody I told to do what he's supposed to do so that tomorrow morning he will not be going late.
See, Chidi, if I see any of your work that you're supposed to do tomorrow morning, undone this night, I'm going to beat you. Don't joke with me, oh. Huh.
Don't beat him, man.
This is not America, it's Nigeria. He loves to play so much. He loves to play. They'll just when they come home, they'll play. Even also, if you see them in school, Jesus Christ.
Very quiet.
Very quiet. And when they come home, I will not be asking myself.
Gentle.
Not
be gentle.
I will not be asking myself, what is happening? It's not the same character. There's this thing there's that the way I'm going to know. Give me that your phone. Let me test this one now. Let me test the both of them so that my followers and subscribers can see it. My YouTube subscribers can see it. Let them see how it works. Hi, Manny Tweets. Hi, I can see you, Ninjago Adventures. I can see all of you. Welcome. I really appreciate, okay? I really appreciate your coming. Over here in TikTok, People's Choice Friday. Thank you so much for coming. Please don't forget to like the live for me, okay? I really appreciate People's Choice Friday. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, okay? Thank you for what you do, okay? Thank you. I appreciate. So this is I don't know. Just give me your phone. Let's try these features and see how it works, please. Let's try the both of them and see how it works. I don't know if they need to charge it or they need to put any battery inside for it to work. See, there's on, okay? It's on, see? It's on. I think I need to connect your phone on your Bluetooth. Let's use your phone and see it so that they can see how it works. This one is for camera. In case you are using camera, I think this particular one here is for camera, but this one is for your phone. So let me try. Have you on your Bluetooth? Okay. Car BT, only car Bluetooth. You're not seeing this one.
Sure. What's that one like?
Wait, let me see if there's a way I can on it again aside from this, because it's showing light. See, it's beeping.
So what is the name?
It's beeping here. I don't know the name. But since the car Bluetooth that is on, is it on?
It's picking that one. So that one is still on.
It's just, but it's not on now. Maybe it's this one.
Yeah, let me see.
Maybe it's this one.
Is it blinking?
It's blinking now. It's blinking. Once it connects, let's see how. It has connected, right? That's not connected. I don't know if there's something I will need to touch. I don't want to believe that. Thank you so much, people's choice, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't want to believe that I bought what I cannot use. You buy something and then you cannot use it. Yeah? It will not be that I just wasted my money. How can I buy this one? As in, the money that I use in buying this one, I bought this one, two. But I bought this one because they said that face tracking, anywhere I'm going is going. So I say, okay, let me buy it now. I'm a foreign woman now. This one too has Bluetooth too. So what is he saying? What's not the difference between the features? See, it's on it too. What's not the difference between the two? I'll need to call him more to explain more. Oh, I can't kill myself. Oh, I can't kill myself. The happiness you get when you buy something new, that's what is feeling me now. Please like my live, please. I can't have 12 people here and I still have 2 likes. Please like my life for me, because this my channel is about to blow hot, like poof hot everywhere. Hot everywhere. Hi everyone watching. Thank you for coming. I appreciate. Okay, I appreciate. I don't understand. Have you found the Bluetooth? Were you able to find the Bluetooth with your phone? Or just give me your phone. Let me put it here. Let me see if it will show me something. Give me your phone. Let me just try. I want to try this thing and see how it works. Okay. This one that they are calling 35 years is like it's big for nothing. I don't want to believe that it's big for nothing. It's not doing anything. Okay.
There's one thing they used to show. They say hang it. They can wind, turn it, front and
No,
back.
all of them they can turn it front.
Can you hang it?
I can hang it.
Where?
Where
will you hang it?
This one.
In the car like this.
Okay, in the car. No, except I will use this rope. Like, as this rope is like this. Except I will use this rope to hang it. Is it what you mean?
No, I mean there's one dashboard that you put on here that will be want seeing what is going on, what to video.
No, is that dashboard suction cup?
Not that one. They used to hang it somewhere up here or something that it will just be videoing.
I don't know. What's this one for again? So many complications here. Please, does anyone know how to use this? Just be typing it. Let me be seen. Biko, type it. Let me see you. Well done, guys. Well done. Welcome everyone. I appreciate your coming. Just keep liking the live, okay? Let's try our new gadget. We are launching it. I'm setting it for maybe. Let me just go on Facebook here and see what's happening. Let me go live on Facebook on this one, on this phone. My Facebook is connected with this phone, right? I can't kill myself. Guys, watch out for my video that will drop around 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Okay, it's on schedule. Except for TikTok, I've not posted anything there. That thing, that my video, I'm about to be announced to the world. What's happening? I'm about to be announced to the world. Let's go live. What do you want? Have you people eaten?
Mama,
Yes.
my work tomorrow is preparing for school, like bringing out clothes and cooking food.
No, there's no cooking food there. It's me that will be doing the cooking. There's no cooking food there in your work. It's just to bring out the clothes And what again?
My work is to do what Uzo just finished.
You are not cooking. Do you know how to cook? So how do you want to cook? Go,
You
it's
say
me.
it's us that will cook.
No. You people will do the cooking with time, not now. That's what I said. Eh? So don't worry, relax. Cooking is coming. You cook and you'll be tired. Go and finish all the work. So see what you will do. See what you will do. You're going to bring out clothes this night. Bring out all the clothes you people will wear and keep it. Don't keep it in a place that your brothers will scatter it. Oh. Look for a big bowl or bucket or rubber something and put it there. Yeah? If it's not iron it. And keep it. Don't go and burn it. Instead you leave it. Let me iron it myself. Do you know how to iron? Or it's only Uzochukwu that can iron? You know how to iron? No, don't iron. Leave it. Because before I will buy new school uniform. Just bring out the clothes, put it inside bowl, and then keep it. Then, if you know what you need, like you fetch water, put in that kettle. Wash that kettle. It's dirty. Fetch water, put in that kettle. Put it in the kitchen. Arrange all what you need to do tomorrow. If it's water bottle, you go and do your own. Arrange it so that in the morning, the only thing we'll do is to cook. And then, we are going to school. So we don't go late. Or, it's me that will cook. Take yam upstairs for me. I'm coming to slice those vegetables.
Yam and vegetable.
Yes, it's yam and vegetable we'll eat tomorrow morning. Yam and vegetables.
Right.
Sorry guys.
Hey.
Your girl is waiting. If you're not following me on my channel, please try to follow me, okay? I will appreciate. Follow me because, in fact, I need those followers to grow. I need followers to grow, okay? Follow me if you are not following me, please. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Let's go live on is it Facebook? Finish. Wow. I want to see how this one will be moving. If you thought this thing and it should fall, I will not be happy with you. So I want to go and eat food. Jerry Andy. Dad, you should talk to them now. They listen to you better.
What's that?
Why are Jerry and you? Let him go and eat now. Eh?
Who is that?
I brought out soup.
Go and eat now.
You better, so I can finish this thing and go and water mushroom farm. Then I'll go upstairs and see what is happening there. Podcast detail. I can't kill myself. Why can't I go live here now? Why can't I go live with this your phone? Why can't I, like, as Helen's gonna just post something? I can post now. Okay, live video. Okay, it's just loading. You don't have this thing, data. You don't have data.
Data.
Yes.
However, I want to go live. Connect to this one now.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. Like the live, okay? Thank you, People's Choice Friday. Thank you so much for all you've been doing, okay? I appreciate. Welcome those on YouTube. Welcome, okay? So, I am testing my new gadgets. Let me know what's happening, okay? Let me know what's happening. The thing is not rotating 360. How am I supposed to do it for it to be rotating? They said I'll be using Bluetooth, but it's not rotating. I just bought upgraded fashion. I'm telling you, this is nothing like it. It's just upgraded fashion. Like they made this one much more stronger, better, as like looking so fanciful. That's the language than this one, but almost I think it's the same thing because see this thing that is here. Yeah. One. See this one. Can you see it? Yeah. It's the same thing. I shouldn't have wasted my money. That's the problem. And even I was there live, I will not be able to choose. But this thing was just, for me, I feel it's just waste of money, or probably I've not learned how to use it. Maybe the day I'll learn how to use it, I'll come over here and tell you people that it was not waste of money. It's me that don't know how to use it. But honestly, I just seriously feel it's waste of money. Waste of money. There are some things that I bought since I started filming, that I can proudly tell you that I feel I wasted my money. Like the camera I got, I just feel I wasted my money, honestly, in the camera, because right now I don't even use camera. I prefer using my phone, both for editing and everything. All the videos I do is with my phone, because sometimes before you finish using this camera to film, before you finish filming with this camera, you realize that you've wasted a lot of time. Like the time you're supposed to use and film, bring out the film, transfer it to the laptop, start editing and all that. If it was phone, you would have finished filming, editing, and drop that video, and before you know it, you would drop another one, drop another, and drop another one. But once you're using this what's the name, camera, it will just slow you down completely. That's exactly how I feel about this thing I bought now. I feel like I just bought this one, a stronger quality. That's if it's even stronger than this one, because this one is heavy while this one is light. I feel like I just upgraded. I'm buying this one ×2 of what I bought this one. I just feel like I upgraded, not that there's a specific thing is doing, because this one is saying anti-shake. Look at, it's shaking, the video is shaking. So where is the anti-shake inside? Where is the anti-shake? The Bluetooth, I've been trying to connect it, it's not connecting with the phone, it's not working. So what's it now for? Sometimes you just finish buying something, you just feel like you've been robbed. Have you ever experienced that? Please drop it there. Drop it at the comment section. You finish buying something, you feel like you've been robbed. Is well. Such is life. Such is life. Meanwhile, an interesting video, in fact, for me, is the most interesting video I've ever made. It will be dropping by 7 p.m. on YouTube. Okay, not on TikTok, please. So TikTok people don't have hope, because you people don't do schedule like that. It will be dropping on YouTube and on Facebook by 7 p.m. I hope that you will like, share that video, and enjoy watching too. Please go through my channel, subscribe, follow me if you like what I'm doing, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Probably. Commented. Onyinyechiku is here. What did happen? Why is the TikTok rolling and rolling? What's happening? Live access removed.
By who?
The live violated our community guideline. Live where they never even start, don't they violate
This
community?
This one is still on.
It's still on. I don't know what's the violation. Whether I say they should subscribe or another this thing. That's why they rush and remove.
They must not say something.
Yeah? I don't understand them.
So congratulations, you had 23 viewers or what?
And which one is restriction again? That I say they should go to YouTube or what? Or they don't want people to go to another place. If you're on TikTok, you don't go to another place. I bet that's why I like my YouTube jejely, Jerry. It doesn't give me headache. Just do my thing.
That's what you're saying.
Enjoy myself. It's on live to Facebook. It's not giving me headache. But this TikTok, their rules is just too much. They know they even pay. They know they pay, and they still get mouth. They talk anything where they like.
On live, until then they pay.
No.
Meat pie.
Which one is restriction again? Let me view detail. Live access removed. The live violates our community guidelines. Access to go live. across all channels, including multi-gears, will be restored on 0207. When is 0207? 2026, 6:53 p.m. Live whatever starts. They remove access. Oh my goodness, that is smarty. Hey, I pity those ones with the TikTok where they watch me, and they were actually how safe. Okay, understand why the life goes against our guideline. Firearm and dangerous weapon. My tripod now na firearm. Which one is firearm and dangerous weapon again? Yay! Hey! This thing is it firearm? Firearm and dangerous weapon. Live access removed. They say it's till July, oh, because I use firearm and dangerous weapon. So this thing is firearm now. We don't allow any form of paid political advertising. Did I even advertise anybody? Do they even, this their algorithm, what are they calling it? It's having problem, oh. They should better work on it. No, it wasn't helpful. Do you think we can improve on accuracy? The information provided didn't match what I see in the product. The information was unclear and not easy to understand. Information didn't match the title. It's relevant to me, but lacking additional detail. Example, there are formatting error, typo issues with the information structure. What's all this for? What can you do? Notice is unclear. I'm still not sure why I got this restriction. It does not contain content mentioned in the notice. Oh, sweet, help me answer these boys, please. Let me fill this form. Sweet, help me. Let me answer these boys.
What's the problem, for God's sake? Eh?
Let's understand your appeal. I don't understand why my life was restricted when I'm on live with other social media and it wasn't restricted. Are you sure your algorithm I'm writing to them. It's not overzealous. Please, a human being should review my life. Thank you. Algorithm the TikTok they call the overzealous. Oh my was restricted. I don't understand why my life was restricted when I'm on live with other social media and it wasn't restricted. Are you sure your algorithm is not overzealous? Please review my life. Now waiting I write that. You can upload of a 4 image each. Take photo. Okay. This is use. All right. Hey, sorry for delaying you guys. I'm really sorry. So we'll finish our unboxing. I really hope you enjoy this content, and if you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in another one. Bye love you. Mwah. What's good to me here? Because
Thank you.
like maybe dobe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, cut it.
Cut it. Finish. This is the place you cut it. Finish.
Not
Then
my phone.
here is. Just send it like this, so they can come and watch it. This one new na YouTube. Oh, close, guy, get close here. Are you sure that you want to stop?